Hi. Hi.
Shut up.
No. Hi.
So, they're here again. As you can tell.
Hi. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. Look at Paula Dean go.
Ow.
Hi.
Just let it run its course.
Hi. Oh god, it smells like the Chinese food we just ate. Oh god. Hi. Willie, be quiet. Oh god, don't puke. If you puke, puke in the trash can.
I'm not gonna puke. It was like a burp.
So. Hi. Hi.
It's like a double.
Hi. Hi. Oh yeah, if you were wondering where the heights come from, watch Funky Forest. Hi.
Yeah, funky. Funky forest. Funky forest.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Willie, what are you growling at, boy?
Hi. Hi. Paula Dean, you little rascal. You.
Oh, Paula.
Oh,
Look at her go.
Look at her go. Hi.
Willie.
Lord. Hi. Hi.
Shut up, Willie.
Hi. Okay, we're making a video. Hi. 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 Are they done?
I don't know, it feels like one's gonna come up, but it like won't come out. It's making me gag. There it is.
Hi. Hi. Let's look up pictures of Paula Dean. Hi, Paula. Hi. Look at all those Paulas. Look at all of those beautiful Paulas.
I don't know when to stop this.
No, never stop.
It's like 3.5 minutes already.
So, dude, we made ones that are like, oh no, I just wanted Paula Dean. Oh, I like. Don't puke on me. It's almost 4 minutes long. Hi.
YOLO.
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 Oh god, look.
What? There's Willie.
Hi, Willie.
I think, dude.
Hi, baby. Hi, Wiener.
What are you doing, Willie?
He wants it. He thinks it's food and he's really fat. He's like morbidly obese. But he's on a diet. A diet of strict food and exercise. And water.
Yeah.
And maybe a peanut butter treat every now and then.
It was making, I can like feel my pulse in my ear.
Hi. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. Ay, Dios mío. Ow, there's hair in my eye.
Why?
Dang it, I thought they were done.
No. Bye. I don't even know what's going on in my mouth.
It's been 5 minutes. I think that's enough.
Bye.